Are you ready?
Alright, Jojo, let's open up your birthday present.
Open it up. What's in here?
This is styrofoam.
And look, it's the JoJo bean. What's that? We gotta put it together. Do you like it?
Look, it says JoJo bean on the side.
Yay! Yay!
Do you like it, Jovi?
Do you like it? Can you say thank you?
Jovi.
Jovi, say thank you.
Jovi. 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 Jovi.
Look, he's pretty.
You're supposed to say thank you, kid.
I don't know how to get this off.
I'll just need a wrench. She's enjoying it so far, though. There you go. Got the thank you in there. Kind of.
Oh my goodness, headlights.
Got the headlights.